Jeremy, you said you were going to use the chopstick. Why are you using your hands?
It's too hard. It's working. I was using a filter
Mm-hmm.
because I look like Song Joong-gi.
No, you don't.
Right. For that, was that Song Joong-gi's normal skin?
What was?
That in that picture, was that his normal skin?
No.
Okay, if it was, then I'd be like, ah. If I look close, let me see.
Look at a girl, because this filter makes everyone look like a girl.
Yeah, my lips look pink. Wait, but Song Joong-gi used this filter?
They're been married in 5 days.
How old is he? Mm-hmm.
32.
Having married one. That's kind of late.
32?
Yeah, and then you were born when mommy was 31.
That's true.
But he's like a celebrity, so
Yeah.
isn't that early? Well, when do celebrities get married?
Oh. Around that age. But some celebrities never get married.
Wait, oh yeah, because they lose popularity, right?
No.
Really? Because
I don't know. They just don't decide to get married.
mommy saw that they got less popular because they think that they're like
Oh.
taken.
Oh, yeah. That's true, but... It's hard for them to find someone that they like. Because, like...
Why? Because everyone else liked it? Because they're a celebrity and stuff?
Yeah, because, like, if I meet, like, a really famous celebrity... Like, if I meet, like, Park Bo-gum, I'd obviously be like, marry me!
But you wouldn't actually marry him because you don't, like, you wouldn't marry him. Because you don't actually like him. Well, you like him, but, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Judy's girlfriend got a lot of hate.
People get a lot of hate for no reason.
Yeah. That's basically...
Or dislike, I guess.
Yeah.
Mommy disliked Kwangsu, but Kwangsu didn't do anything.
I
I like Kwangsu.
Me too. She also dislikes Song Joong-gi because he looks like a girl, and she dislikes Song Ye-kyo because she dated Hyunbin.
Who's Hyunbin? That sounds like a girl name. Isn't Hyunbin a girl name?
No. Wait, I picked the dented one by accident.
They're both dented.
Oh, it's okay. I wish we had those straws that they give at restaurants for these.
I poke a hole out in it and then I suck on it so it lasts longer.
What if the top is like dirty?
Magic.
They're so tiny. To have a heart. Why are we so pale? Ew. You're eating a fig bar? Those
Why
taste
not?
so bad.
No, it tastes good.
I don't like them.
You don't?
Actually, wait, let me see how this tastes.
It's
Oh.
okay, right?
No, it tastes pretty good. Never mind. Now our faces look really dark.
Yeah. Is this a pale filter or I was walking home, right?
Yeah?
And you know those inflating thingies? One of them just tilted over and it stayed like that.
What's so creepy about that?
It's creepy. It wasn't even that windy. Well, it was windy, but still. It just stayed tilted.
You left this bag open, Jeremy, so it's like not as crunchy anymore.
Mom, wait, I think Mommy did.
No, I would never leave the bags open.
No, because she opened the bag for me. Oh, okay, yeah, I left it open.
Mm-hmm. That's what I thought.
Yeah?
That's what I thought.
Oh, I thought you said that's why it's yeah.
Oh.
Can I have another one?
Yeah.
With this? Trade?
Okay, this is Daddy, and he was just like, I'll only eat them if I'm hungry. And I was like, same. Ooh, ooh. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh, you know what else creepy?
What?
Remember when Hanyak, when you were sleeping, me and Mommy went to Hanyak and get Harmony Habachi? Wait. No, what was it? Oh, I forgot. Oh, yeah. I remember. Yeah, we went to a restaurant with them. Then I finished eating, and my throat hurt so bad, so I need fresh air. Remember back when my throat hurt like so bad?
Oh yeah. Wait, you went to? Oh yeah, you went with them when I was sleeping. I
Yeah.
forgot. Yeah.
And then there was this guy. She was wearing like a mask, like a mask, not just like those like bandit things, like a mask, like a straight, like a Jeff like mask. And then he yelled something in a different language.
Yeah.
He looked straight at me, and then he just spiked away.
Why is that creepy? I don't understand.
Because it's a guy in a mask that yells.
What kind of mask was it?
Like a Jeffrey Killer mask, except it was black. You know, it covers the whole face. And it was creepy.